To him like multiple times, like he likes being thrown up in the air. It's like something that he likes, and all cats land on their feet. So I don't know why that is getting spread around, that I'm like hurting my cat, but I would never hurt my precious little baby. Like, I love him so, like it makes me do it. Deborah, please, I'm stuck in the freezer! Deborah! Basically, there's rumors going around of people calling me a pedophile and everything for being best friends with a 13-year-old, and it's really bothering me to the fact that I'm not a pedophile. I would never be a pedophile. Connor is just my best friend, and I've made that clear so many times. I don't know how many more times I have to make it clear that he's just my best friend. Like, there's nothing going on. Like, Connor, very scary.